time is elapsed. The time is different for y'all because y'all seen the fast version. I've been doing my hair for about 3 or 4 hours now, but to y'all it's like in minutes. So anyway. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here,
welcome to the club, pal.
And as you read by today's title, you already know what to get into. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So as you can tell, my hair is very much in need of some TLC. So today I'm gonna be doing a hot oil treatment and also a deep condition. I'm gonna show y'all how I deep condition my hair. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to shampoo my hair, and in today's video I will be using the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and the links to these products will be listed down below. All the products used in this video today will be listed down below as usual, along with the timestamps. So if you want to skip over some parts and get straight to the hot oil treatment, that will be in the description box as well. Let's get into this video because this is about to be a long process. I'm not gonna say long, but it's gonna take some time, you know. Once you have finished shampooing and conditioning your hair, what you are going to do is you're going to get your bottle and you're going to make your own oil. So I'll be using Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to use 1 ounce of this. Then I'm going to go in with some vitamin E oil. I will go in with this almond oil. Some of that spilled, but it's okay. It's not, but you already know I gotta go in with my 5 essential oils from African Pride, and within this oil it has castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. And of course I'll be doing 1 ounce of this. I'm just gonna put the top on it. And of course, I'll leave the links to the oils that I use to put in this bottle in the description box. If you want to use this exact oil, you want to make sure the oil is hot, so put it in some type of heat source. I just put mine in a bowl of water. It was some hot water. I let it sit there for about like 3 minutes and the bottle was hot, and then I did the whole putting the oil on my head process basically. But I did not tell you guys that, and I forgot to, so I'm so sorry. So now I'm just going to put this all over my scalp. And then once you've applied it to your scalp, I just kind of massage that in a little bit. So basically what you're gonna do, of course you're gonna take this oil that you just made and you're literally just going to go on the strands of your hair and make sure you get your ends too. So I finished putting all the oil on my head. Now I'm about to put a plastic cap on my head and I'm about to sit under the dryer for 30 minutes. You don't have to sit under the dryer for 30 minutes if you don't want to, but I'm just trying to get the best results I can, so I'm going to sit under for 30 minutes. And so then after that, I'll be back to show you all the deep conditioning process. Before I show you all the deep conditioning process, I'm going to show y'all the results from the hot oil treatment. And I'm not going to rinse this out. I'm literally just going to put my deep conditioner right on top of this oil so I can wash them out all together, because this is a whole process. Wash day alone is a whole process. And then I'm doing an oil treatment and a deep conditioning situation. My hair actually does feel a lot better. So these are the results from the hot oil treatment. As y'all can see, there are some curls going on. So since I already have this section out, what I use for my deep conditioner is this Queen Helene's Super Cholesterol deep conditioning. It is really, really good, especially if you have, I'm gonna say, any type 4 hair. So yeah, this will get you right. Now I'm literally just putting it right on top of the oil treatment that I had in my hair. I'm gonna do this whole entire process to the rest of my head. I'm gonna put some pictures of the hot oil results in while I'm taking them out, so yeah, you all can see it. Okay, so once I have put my deep conditioner on. Now I'm gonna go right back under the dryer for another 30 minutes. And you don't have to stay under the dryer for 30 minutes if you don't want to. You can do minimum of 15 minutes if you want to, but I'm doing 30 because this is what my hair needs. So once I get out the dryer, I'm going to show y'all the rest of the process. My 30 minutes is up, so that is basically the whole hot oil treatment and deep conditioning process. Now I'm going to get in the shower. In the next clip, you'll see me rinsing my hair out, and then I'll be back. For today's video, that's the process of how you do a hot oil treatment and a deep conditioning situation. From this point on, you can do whatever you want to do, whatever style you want to do. This is where you do it. So yeah, I'm just a little too tired today to do a style, so I'll probably do a style tomorrow. And you already know I gave y'all a video on what style I'm gonna do. I got y'all. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.